Okay, island fam, let's make some cheese paste. So first, we're gonna start off with our ingredients. So we got some cheese, we got our Swiss real mayonnaise, we have some maple mustard, we have some black pepper, and yes, after I use the Maggi seasoning, I keep the containers and I put like my powdered seasoning in here. So that's black pepper. We got some pepper sauce that my mama made. Mommy made it for me. Pepper sauce. And we have some green seasoning. That's all I have left. All I had to go in the market and buy some more. So I have to buy some seasoning to grind. But yeah, we have our green seasoning. And of course, don't forget your bowl and your spoon and your grater, because those are the utensils that you're going to use to make your cheese paste. So let's go and make the cheese paste. Yay! Alrighty, right, so I'm back. So I have my grater for grating the cheese, my spoon for combining everything, and my bowl to mix everything in. So let's just move these things aside and get the cheese grated. I'm not going to grate the cheese on camera because you all know what grating cheese look like. So I'll get back to you with the grated cheese. Alrighty then, so now we got the cheese all grated, looking all grated, and we're going to add our ingredients to this. So I'm kind of recording with one hand and trying to mix this with the other. So I'll put the ingredients in and then I'll show you me mixing it up, simply because I need to open the pack and the bottles and use a spoon to put the things in there and all like a jar. So let's add all our ingredients and I will tell you exactly how much of what I'm adding in it. Okay? Okay. So seasoning is already in, so let me tell you what I have. I have about 4 tablespoons of mayo, a teaspoon of pepper sauce. That's my threshold. You can put as much or as little as you want. I have about a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mustard, a tablespoon of green seasoning, and about a teaspoon of black pepper. So I'm going to mix that up. Mixity mix, and I show you all the finished product. Okay, so let me mix it up. Bye bye. Alrighty, right, island fam, so this is what our finished product is looking like. If y'all want a more colorful cheese paste, you can add like pimento peppers. Some people add sweet peppers. I don't like sweet peppers. You could add carrots, stuff like that in it, make it all colorful and cute. But I already have pimentos and all of that in the grind seasoning that I put in here. So this is it right there, all mixed and looking good with my bread ready to be eaten. Yes, yes, yes. So that is how I make cheese paste. I will have the ingredients down in the description if you all didn't get that while I was making it. And I will see you guys next time. So thanks guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, comment down below any questions, comments, and concerns, anything y'all want to see next on my channel. Share this video with all of your friends. Like it if you like me, if you like us, if you like my shenanigans. Come back here every week for another vlog. Don't forget, self-love is important. Take care of your mental health and don't forget to smile. So thanks again guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time on the island. Bye!